What's up everyone, it's Jason here with Red Bee Labs and welcome to the channel. Okay, so today's video isn't going to be a tech video, so please excuse it. I just wanted to explain to everyone where I've been, what's been going on, and why I haven't been dropping a lot of videos. I just want to also say that there will be plenty of videos coming after this video, so I'll be back on my rotation of dropping really good content for you guys. Okay, so let me see, it was April, well, let me start with, everyone knows that the coronavirus is out here. A lot of companies had to either shut down or minimize staff. Some had to send their employees home on telework. And I was lucky to be working for a company that said that you can go home and telework. I'm a senior web developer, so my job was kind of easily to transfer to teleworking anyway. And I already had a couple days during the week where I teleworked from home anyway. So what happened was on the 12th of April, it was raining really bad. So what happened was I had to go into work. I had to physically drive into work on the 13th. And the 13th, it was still a little rainy in the morning and everything, but I figured, you know what, I won't reschedule, I'll go in. I was meeting people there. I had to, do some work for them, so I had to get it to them. So I'm going to work, and I'm going up the highway, and all of a sudden there is like this huge ocean. I mean, Poseidon was in the middle of 95, and I'm driving up and I hit this water. I spin around 3 times and I smash into the concrete jersey wall, and I'm just there. All the air packs deployed. Everything is just going crazy. I was actually on the phone with my wife, and she heard everything that was going on, so she was all freaked out. I'm okay. I'm okay. I should have prefaced with that. But the car was totaled. There was a lot of stuff to go with that. I had a lot of just some small issues, nothing too big, but I couldn't really focus on the videos at that time to give you guys a good quality video. So now I haven't got a new car yet. I'm waiting because we're at home all the time anyway, and if I got a new car, it would just be sitting at home and I'd be paying for the car payments with it being at home. I just wanted to explain that piece to everyone. I mean, there was everyone during the accident was amazing. When the fire trucks got there, the police officers got there, the tow truck drivers got there. Wonderful. I mean, everybody was just like helpful and making sure I was okay. My wife, she zoomed up there, got there, was on her phone with the insurance, and by this time it started to pour down rain again while we're just sitting there waiting for all the police officers and everything to come up. And so what happened was the police officers came, they blocked off that ocean in the road, and they come and tell me later that actually the drainage had been blocked up all throughout, so they actually called a crew to come in and clear out the blockage and everything. So I just happened to be the person that got to it first, but but like I said, everything happens for a reason. I'm okay, thank the Lord, and I'm able to not be hurt, still have my job, still have my family and my life and everything, and still provide awesome videos for you guys. I think that's it. I mean, I just wanted to explain that to everyone and let them know what was going on. So they didn't think I was just like sitting at home chilling and not doing anything. I want to give a lot of good content to you guys and just spread my opinion about different tech. I'm really passionate about it, but I did have a little setback. So I am extra good and everything, and like I said, plenty of videos are going to be dropping soon, so please stay tuned. I mean, I'm not going to release them all at once. I'm going to do like 1 or 2 a week, but they are coming. I have been sitting at home, and all I've been able to do is I work, of course, do my work, but after that, I'm just sitting here and writing scripts and doing stuff because you can't really go anywhere and do much right now. So I had all these scripts and all these products coming to me now, so you're gonna have some awesome video and awesome content to look at. So I guess that's it. Thank you for watching. And again, I'm okay. You know, that everything is good and things are gonna start going back to normal. So, as I will always say, usually, if you found value in this video, please, smash the like button, leave me a comment, share this video. I would appreciate it so much if you would subscribe, hit that notification bell. That way you'll be able to see all the new content that I'm about to release, and it's gonna be a lot. Just thank you, and as always, this is Jason, and I'll catch you in the next one.